Here's some Constituent Assembly trivia. Subscribe. What year was the Indian Constituent Assembly formed? Is it A, 1946, B, 1948, C, 1935, or D, 1950? The correct answer is A, 1946. Which prominent leader chaired the Indian Constituent Assembly? Is it A, Sardar Patel, B, Jawaharlal Nehru, C, Mahatma Gandhi, or D, B.R. Ambedkar? The correct answer is D, B.R. Ambedkar. What was the primary purpose of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Is it A, enacting laws, B, forming government, C, writing amendments, or D, draft constitution? The correct answer is D, draft constitution. Which document was adopted on January 26, 1950? Is it A, United Nations Charter, B, Declaration of Independence, C, Magna Carta, or D, Indian Constitution? The correct answer is D, Indian Constitution. Which language was chosen as the official language of India? Is it A, Tamil, B, Bengali, C, Hindi, or D, English? The correct answer is C, Hindi. What religious principle was upheld in the Indian Constitution? Is it A, theocracy, B, secularism, C, monotheism, or D, polytheism? The correct answer is B, secularism. What does Article 1 of the Indian Constitution declare? Is it A, United States, B, Republic of India, C, Democratic Nation, or D, Union of India? The correct answer is D, Union of India. What type of government structure was adopted in India? Is it A, unitary, B, federal, C, confederation, or D, monarchy? The correct answer is B, federal. Which amendment process is outlined in the Indian Constitution? Is it A, Article 368, B, Article 12, C, Article 32, or D, Article 14? The correct answer is A, Article 368. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.